For the cybersecurity folks that are tuning in, I appreciate you guys supporting the channel. We have a tier 1 SOC analyst that is available at Accenture. This role is listed for individuals that are located in San Antonio, Texas. If we scroll down here, they actually list some of the qualifications: 6 months of experience, a bachelor's degree in some STEM field, and a Security Plus certification are the primary requirements for this role. They do also list some nice to have, such as Splunk SIM, Splunk SOAR, Microsoft Defender. If you have these qualifications, you guys definitely need to take a shot at this role. Although this role is listed in San Antonio, Texas, they do actually list the pay ranges for similar roles in other states and other cities. So if you're in California, this role will pay somewhere between $67,000 and $104,000. Colorado, New York, and Washington, they also list the pay ranges for those roles as well. So from that, you can kind of estimate how much this role may pay in San Antonio. In my opinion, purely my opinion, it'll probably be somewhere less than California, probably closer to Colorado pay range, but definitely apply for the role. Hopefully you guys get a chance to, talk to the recruiter, get in front of them. One thing I did want to point out, I know this role requires a Security Plus certification. I have a treat for you guys. Actually working on a partnership with CompTIA. If you're not familiar with CompTIA, they offer a bunch of different certification options. So for Security Plus in particular, you can go on here at CompTIA.org and you can go to trainings, you can go to testing, whichever one you're ready for. But for the Security Plus, since we're talking about that real quick, they have different bundle options on here. So if you wanted to pay for just the exam, you can buy an individual exam voucher for $392. That's the regular price. Or if you want to buy the exam and a retake voucher, that's $565. They also have some study material in here that you can buy, study guides. If you were to buy that bundle, that would be $720. But that's the regular price. I'm gonna give y'all the hookup, the Custom Journeys discount. If you click on buy now, so the regular price is $392, but I have a promo code for you. If you guys use the promo code UNLOCK2023, you will actually get 15% off of your purchase. So in that case, let's say you're just buying the Security Plus voucher. Instead of paying $392, you would actually only have to pay $333.20. So you save about $59. So hope you guys take advantage of that. I don't want you guys paying full price if you don't need to. Go ahead and check the description below of the video and you can find the link to the job application down there. While you're down there, be sure to sign up for my weekly newsletter. Every single week, I send out job opportunities like this one. My name is Andrew Baines, and I am the host of the Custom Journeys podcast. If you don't know, I'm an engineer with over 10 years of experience. I've now pivoted into the recruiting space, and my goal is to help you all have a successful STEM career. So if it's anything science, tech, engineering, or math related, my goal is to help you all be as successful as possible, make as much money as you can, have the career you want, and live the life you desire. If this content is interesting to you, subscribe to the channel so you can stay tuned. Also, be sure to like the video. That does a lot to help boost engagement, help the YouTube algorithm know that you guys and others may enjoy this type of content. Tune in next week where I'll have another great podcast interview. And also, I'll be going over some unique jobs in STEM. So that's it. Peace out, people. Have a good week.